welcome back to my channel. Today we are continuing on our little spree of Somewhere Over the Rainbow, and now we are into the color green. If you haven't seen my previous looks, you can see them here. Bam, bam, bam. And I'd like to give a shout out to the amazing salon that I've been working with that connected me with the Sephora products. I'm super excited to tell you about that. So stay tuned this weekend when you see the videos. But I guess I can give you a quick synopsis. These are the Sephora Beautifying Elixirs, and this is the shampoo, and this is the conditioner. I had this stuff in February and it's now almost June. I still have quite a lot of product left in it, and a little goes a long way. I just want to let you guys know that that's what these guys are, and I'm going to be putting a more extensive video coming out this weekend, so please stay tuned. And I just want to ask that you give ESSENSE Salon a little bit of love. These guys are amazing people. Honestly, their staff are so sweet. You message them, they will talk to you, they will help you. They are just sweet peas. So please give them some love, because honestly, this world needs more love. We've got a lot of stress going on and we need some love. Give them some love and ask them about the Sephora products, because they are amazing, and I will add the links in the description box below. But without further ado, let's just jump into this makeup look. I am excited. We're going into green. These next few colors, I am excited / nervous because I don't wear green, blue, purple lipsticks. Those guys, I just don't. We're gonna just, you know, face our fears. We're gonna do it, and it's either gonna turn out really rough and we'll have a funny thing to laugh at, or it'll actually look cool, because the yellow one looked really cool, so I'm cool with that. And if you guys want to see the yellow one, I will link that above, because it was a really cool video. Well, to start off, I primed my eyes with the NYX Pigment Primer. I really like this primer, so I've used that. I've set it with a little setting powder, and we are just going to jump right in. I decided today to do a little twist with my greens. I honestly was thinking, I was like, I'll do a really big bright green. I think I'm going to do a color pop instead of doing a full-blown green. So bear with me, guys, we are going on a little bit of a detour. So the first thing we're going to jump into is the Morphe Colorburst palette, and I'm going to use this like light beige color, and I'm just going to use that as my transition color. Alrighty, we are jumping into a new palette of mine. I'm really excited, and this guy is on sale at the Sephora website. So this is the large James Charles palette, and it normally retails for $50 Canadian, but right now it is on sale at the Sephora website on their sales section for, I believe, like 35 bucks. The little one's like 25. In comparison to the other Morphe palettes, it's massive. I'm assuming the small is probably like this size. So honestly, I recommend. I'm taking a little tapered brush, and I'm just going to go into this soft beige color, and I'm just going to buff that into my crease. The next color I'm going to jump into is this dark kind of like greenish brown, and I'm going to put that a lot closer to where my actual crease is. This time actually. Alrighty, I'm going to jump back into this brown that I used on my crease, and I'm just going to put that into the corner of my eye. Going back over that color, I'm going back into this brown and doing the exact same thing. Now I'm going to jump into this very pale nude color, and I'm going to put that on my lid. So the primer I'm going to use is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. We're going to finish up the sample. It lasted a lot longer than I thought it would, so let's get that on. The next thing we're going to get into is foundation, and I'm using my Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. I'm just going to apply that, and we will get to the next step. Now I'm going to conceal any blemishes that I obviously have. So I'm going to use the Sephora Bright Future Concealer, and honestly, we're just going to get the blemishes. I'm jumping into the HD Clinique Concealer, and I'm using that to brighten my under eyes, because I don't sleep, because I'm up all night reading. By the way, if you want to read, I do suggest Kindle. I am not sponsored by them, but I love to read. If you have a reading goal, please let me know what it is down below. Mine is 10 books in a year, and I am already at 7. Super excited. So let me know what you're reading. Now it's time to set the under eyes. So I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Translucent Powder. I do recommend this one. This is like the best translucent powder I've used, and I really like it because it comes in a giant container, so you get a really good amount for very little and it lasts so long. Contour time! As I have said in previous videos, I am totally learning as we go. So everything that I'm doing, I am learning. So I'm not a makeup artist. I'm not any of that. I'm a makeup artist as in I'm trained and like to do it as an art form, but we're playing semantics now. Anyways, I do my stuff different than everybody else. I think we should always take something that is like a makeup tutorial or something that applies to yourself and make sure you customize it to you. Don't try to be somebody else. Be you, because you are amazing. I'm just going to jump into my bronzer, do a little bronze on my face, and we were going to go on to the next step. And I'm going to use the Benefit Cosmetics blush, and it's in the color California. It's a little mini. It's actually super cute. When I first got it, it had this really cool gold design. Super cute. And I'm just going to brush that onto my face. So now I'm going to get into the green part of my makeup. I'm going to go into the Nikita Morphe palette, and I am going to jump into, you guessed it, that neon green. So I am going to buff that into the under part of my eye and into the crease. Next I'm going to jump into this big, like, goldish, whatever. It's this, and I'm going to put that on the inside of my eye. So for me, that's not bright enough, and I just want something a little brighter, so I'm jumping into this neon stack that has done good and done bad to me, so we will see. I'm going to jump into the green one, and I'm just buffing that into my under eyes, and I got this on AliExpress, so I will link that below. So we are going to take a pause, and I'm going to go put on some liner, mascara, and lashes. So I will be right back.
A few moments later.
Alrighty, I am back. So now we have to move into highlighter before we get into lips, and then this look is done. For highlighter today, I'm using the Kat Von D Alchemy palette, and I'm using a green highlighter that is called Emerald. So we are going to the Emerald City, and I'm going to highlight my face. Alrighty, now that that is done, we are going on to lips. I'm going to try a similar technique to last time. I am going to try to change it up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on the Sephora white lipstick again, and we will get to the next spot. Alrighty, now we're going to move on to the McGrath Clear Mini Balm. Don't know what it's called, so I'm just going to put that over top. And just like last time, I'm going to use some eyeshadows because I don't have a green. I have a blue-green, but I don't have a green. So we're going to go into this color, and we're making that the base color of this lipstick. Alrighty, we're jumping into this neon color again, and of course we're going to the green and we're packing that on top. Alrighty, now we're on to the last step, and that is the gloss. So I'm going to put a Morphe Jeffree Star lip gloss over top of this, and that's the end of the look. So let's see how it turns out. Alrighty guys, this is the finished look. I really don't hate it. I don't really hate how I look in green lipstick. It's weird. It's not something obviously I would wear every day, but I really like it. Switching the lip gloss did make a huge difference. I also used a different powder, the one that I used for my eyes. Apparently this glows in black light, but I don't have a black light, so I can't test or confirm right now. The lipstick is 100% novelty. You do not want to wear this out. It is going to smudge, it is going to smear, it's going to get everywhere. I really like the ColourPop. I wanted to do something a little different. I did a little something different with my eyeliner. I just wanted to try something a little different than just a full-blown green everything. I feel like I've done one very similar like that in my Makeup Roulette number 8, which I will link above. Really pretty, but I didn't want to recreate it and get stuck in the same style of look. So now it's the point for my shout out. I just want to give a shout out to actually you guys. The viewers, the subscribers, anybody who actually just comes to this channel, interacts with my content. I really do want to say thank you, and I just really appreciate everything you guys do. This is my outlet for my mental health, and since it is May, which is Mental Health Awareness Month, I figure I would actually be a little more transparent about why I ended up these videos. I ended up doing these videos because I suffer with depression and anxiety, and this has just been something that has helped me kind of get motivated in the day and honestly to primp and take care of myself. So I get to artistically express myself with the videos, but I also get to do that with my makeup, practice self-care, and just honestly not allow myself to deteriorate in my own mind. So I appreciate all of the support and love and everyone just being so kind. So thank you, thank you, thank you. And if you want to know a little bit about myself and the things that I get up to, you can check out my Instagram and my TikTok, which is Kimmy Token. And if you want to find more information about this specific channel, feel free to check out Novel Notion Makeup on Instagram and Novel Notion on Facebook. Well guys, that is it. We are on the 4th installment. We are halfway through our Somewhere Over the Rainbow. Super excited about how far this has gone. I'm really excited to see what blue is going to come in. Blue is going to be interesting. I wonder if it's going to be a cool color. All kidding aside, I really want to thank you guys again. Please stay tuned tomorrow for my video about ESSENSE Salon and the awesome products that are Euphoria. Yay! And as a thank you to you guys for helping me hit 75 subscribers, I am still doing that hot sauce video, so stay tuned for the next 2 weeks. There will be a really hot food that I am trying, and it's not a hot sauce, it's a hot candy, and I'm stoked to tell you what it is. So stay tuned, and Ahmed is going to be in that. If you haven't seen Ahmed and me's videos, go check out that playlist. It is so funny when he's in those videos. But alright, I've rambled on, I've taken up all your time. Thank you for giving it to me. I appreciate you all, and you know what? Stay beautiful, stay kind, and I will talk to you guys next time. Bye!